YouTube is a hobby to me. As much as I would like it to be profitable, it is just a passion project. My day job is with a local school board. We do a lot of exploration, investigation. My tool requirements can vary greatly. But here's the thing, 95% of the time, I can get away with this. This is the Maxpedition Platy pouch. Today I'm gonna show you my real world work loadout. So first and foremost, the pouch. This is the large version of the Maxpedition Platy pouch, and it's a Cordura pouch, really well built, just what you would expect from Maxpedition. Nice YKK zippers, really good stitching, everything like that. Has a nice little pull cord that you can use to wear around your neck, or as a sling if you really wanted to. So what do I actually carry in the thing? On the sleeve side here, simple Milwaukee Fastback. You know, anytime you want to save your knife, I'm not going to use my pocket knife to cut drywall or chip floor tile or anything like that. So I like to carry that. On the other side, Cobra XS water pump pliers. They're small, but they're pretty mighty, pretty handy in a tight pinch. And then I have my Mac Tools pry bar. I think I've shown this on the channel once before. This is the PN2CO. And this is the curved version. It comes in a set of 2. They're really handy, really durable, hard steel pry bars. And then in the back sleeve here, I keep my notepad. This is just a cheapo one that one of the suppliers must have given out to me. And then I have my school board ID. And I'm obviously not going to show that. But there it is. And I think I keep some business cards in that little sleeve as well. On the back side here, the zipper side of the pouch has a couple of main slips. Oh, I forgot to mention, this does have 2 different sizes of elastic as well, which is really handy to keep everything down. For the zipper pull here, I have just a little micro S-Biner clip, the locking one with the paracord to keep it easier to pull out of your pocket or your bag or whatever if you're going to do that. On the first slip side, I have the Olight Arkfeld Pro. This light is a very unique use case for me. I use the laser pointer to indicate what I'm trying to find or what I'm looking at. And the UV light is really good for pest intrusions and water staining. A very useful light for me. Plus the light is bright with that 2-way clip. Excellent light. And on the other side of this, I have a few things from Big Idea Designs. I have the Inline Bit Bar Max. I'm not always using a screwdriver, but every once in a while when I need to get into an access panel or something, I want something that has a little bit of everything. This is just so compact. Being so small with that T-shank handle use case, it really does give you the affordability to carry something this small. And then I have a Sharpie fine tip marker and the Big Idea baseline bolt action pen. And these are popular, so popular for a reason. These are really nice, good feel in the pan, really nice solid pens. And the only other thing I keep in the bag, a few items on the inside pouch, a set of Allen wrenches. Sometimes the ventilation systems I need have these, so I'm still waiting on a mini ratchet set that a company is sending out. I think that will eventually replace that. The only other thing, a mini Bic lighter. It's great for testing out airflow, pull on exhaust systems, negative pressures in buildings. The bag itself, there is plenty of room on, there's the original zipper pull. It really does cover the 95% of my needs. I love how modular this bag is. It's so nice to have everything that you'd use often right on the outside. You don't have to open up the clamshell and have stuff fall out, everything's nice and secure. With that extra little zipper pouch for the small things and stuff like that. It's a nice little feature. These aren't even that expensive. They do come in at, which is fairly reasonable, especially considering the build quality of the bag. It's durable and it does protect your tools. Like some of these things are very premium, but that's my real world EDC. I'm gonna put all this stuff back in and we'll go through the last outro. That's the bag. Then eventually everything kind of falls into place where it should be and where it wants to be. And it sits quite nice. Really nice little bag. My real work EDC in the Maxpedition Platy pouch. But tell me, what do you use for work? Do you have a small little kit like this, or do you just carry tool belts, bags, whatever? Let me know. I would love to hear it. If you guys want to see some more budget options, I have plenty of videos on the channel. You can check out the playlist here. And if you guys like videos like this, please consider liking and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks. So YouTube to me is a excuse me.